Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences using the resource discussed. We're taking a look at Zacks.com, a popular platform for investment research and analysis. Zacks provides a variety of tools and resources designed to help investors make informed decisions, from stock ratings and earnings estimates to premium research reports and investment portfolios tailored to different investment strategies. One of Zacks' key features is its ranking system, which rates stocks from 1, strong buy, to 5, strong sell, based on a quantitative model. This model analyzes earnings estimate revisions, providing insights into the potential direction of a stock's price. Zacks boasts a strong historical track record, claiming significant outperformance against the market based on its ranking system. Beyond the stock ratings, Zacks offers various premium services, like the Zacks Premium Service, which offers access to the Zacks Rank, Focus List portfolio, equity research reports, and other specialized tools. They also provide services like Zacks Mutual Funds, Zacks ETF Rank, and Zacks Options Trader for those interested in diversifying their investments. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Zacks presents a wealth of data and resources. From stock screeners and educational materials to personalized portfolio recommendations, the platform caters to different investment styles and experience levels. However, it's important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results and that any investment decision should be based on your own individual research and risk tolerance. Zacks tools and data can be valuable resources, but they should be used as part of a broader investment strategy. It's crucial to conduct your own due diligence and consider seeking professional financial advice before making any investment choices. Exploring the free resources available on Zacks.com is a good starting point to familiarize yourself with the platform and determine if its premium offerings align with your investment goals.